Welcome to Seed My Soul channel. Follow these 10 things to achieve a success in your life.
1. Do not fear what people think. One important thing keeping individuals away from making progress is fear. We have all been there. You are getting any place with what you really need to do, on the grounds that you are stressed what others should say about it. Perhaps you have friends who might believe you are mad to plan something so extraordinary for what the group are used to, or possibly you are humiliated to share your business to loved ones, since they may believe it is senseless and ridiculous. The true answer? Yes, there will be individuals who don't support you, and who think your thoughts are past useless, yet it is not their place to say, nor is it yours to listen. You are equipped for whatever you trust you are able to do, and in the event that you tune into other people, and let it get to you, that is the point at which your fantasies will crumble. 2. Have a self-discipline. Let's be honest. For the vast majority of us, it is a work in advancement enclosed by sincere goals, delaying, and sentiments of disappointment. Yet, it doesn't need to be. Self-discipline, such as everything else, is a training. Not every day will be perfect, but each day, with its disappointments and little successes, is progress, and that is the thing that self-discipline is about. 3. Do not afraid to change. Some people hate change. They get scared by it. They decide that they would prefer not to force themselves hard to then wind up with something they can't deal with. With this attitude, you are ending it all before you even begin. Change is great and change is development, and that is incredibly significant in the event that you need to make an accomplishment of your life. Else, one day you'll wake up, tired of similar old things, and wish you'd started to change yourself, before it turned out to be past the point of no return for you, to do as such in that capacity. 4. Have a great ideas and put to action. How often have you been in a meeting and somebody says to you, "That is a good idea, you should step up to the plate and make it a reality"? But, what typically happens? More often than not, nothing. Most extraordinary thoughts stay torpid in light of the fact that individuals don't have the boldness, resources, time as well as cash to make a move. Having extraordinary thoughts in your mind is superb, and on the off chance that you have a major picture of where you need to be, at that point you realize what you need to progress in the direction of. In any case, as every day passes by, more thoughts in themselves won't get you any more remote than you as of now are. Everyday activity is what brings you closer, so, for what reason haven't you begun at this point? 5. Do not get distracted. Distraction keeps such a large number of individuals away from making progress. There won't be any work being created if every minute you choose to check your texts, your emails, your Facebook and so on. A few people like distractions because they have no self-discipline. Dispose all distractions from around you, so you can really overcome some strong useful work without constantly stopping. 6. Be creative. Creativity doesn't actually come as effectively to certain individuals as it does to other people. It's not your flaw, it's only one of those aptitudes that isn't your best. So what you have to do is improve your creativity, rather than simply managing with what you have. Actually, anything can start creativity. It's diverse for everybody, except fortunately your mind is fit for imagination. You simply need to work out how to unlock this creativity. A great deal of imagination would now be able to be sprung upon individuals, from simply exploring things on the web. In case you're a blogger, attempting to compose a rundown of new blog entries that you can compose, and you're stuck there with a clear page before you, at that point, simply looking into things on the web, can make something click inside you. The words all of a sudden begin streaming. Many individuals will agree that taking your mind off what you need creativity for and simply accomplishing something different, distinctive altogether can start incredible imagination. Your mind isn't doing as much reasoning, since you're not causing yourself to do as such, which opens up any thoughts you may have had where it counts. 7. Be an early bird. I feel that most successful individuals you keep running into in your lifetime will getting up earlier in the mornings than you. It's a reality. Simply getting up an hour sooner has such an effect. That is one entire hour extra of work that you're putting in, and it's definitely required. It is not an easy task at start, getting up an hour sooner. Your mind will tell you not to get up, and you will feel tired and sleepy. The first week will be the hardest, however, from that point on your body and mind will be used to it. So take a first step. The main reason you wake up at 7 is to go to school or job on time. But, if your school time or office time are an hour earlier, you most likely be waking up at 6. It's just a habit, so get out of the old one and into the new one. 8. Be patient. Wealth and fame takes time. Success takes time. You can't simply hope to put %100 in for 1 month and naturally become the best at your art. If you are being impatient and giving up early into your work, at that point you are clearly not going to go anyplace. You should remember, slow and steady wins the race. So, have patience in your work and make a consistent hard work daily to achieve something great. 9. Let failure cripple you. There is a reason why so many people that fail first time never try again. Failure is not easy to take, however, guess what? It isolates the losers from the winners, because losers will give up easily, and the champions will learn from their mistakes, and try to attempt again with what they have learned. 10. Find what you were born to do. Maybe you are just not actually managing the right things. There are a ton of powerful people on the planet who started in one area and subsequently recognized it was not actually for them, so they were then prepared to find what their real passion was for. It may take time to find what's optimal for you, notwithstanding, do not allow that put you to off. As long as you are concentrating on working towards one thing, you will soon know whether it's right for you or not.
Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe Seed My Soul channel for more videos.